Hi everyone, it's Gail here with my Artymaze and Oohlala Crafts design team project. This one I used the digital kit Cardinal Rose and then used fabrics and lace and ribbon and such from OohlalaCrafts. So the cover is a faux leather cover that I used this burlap looking tissue paper to make. I decoupaged on this sheet of music paper that I had decoupaged a cardinal napkin on, and then made this little fabric charm here that just clips on so it can be removed if for journaling. And then this is some of the coffee dyed seam binding ribbon from OohlalaCrafts. So let's go in and take a look here. This is a beautiful, beautiful kit. I love this kit. I made one of these last year and I needed to do another one because I just love this kit. So here is a pocket that we crafted together in one of the Craft With Me's. That is there with, I made a little tag out of one of the digitals. I just added some of the Oohlala fabrics and a tab and stamped "This Book Belongs To." So that slides in there. We've got a sack here with some of the coffee dyed beaded lace from Oohlala. And then we've got a little booklet here with the velvet and lace and bead trim. And it's just got coffee dyed paper on the inside, and I kind of put it upside down so that the lace shows outside of the bag there. Some lace actually from Happy Mail here, but then this is one of the tags from the kit, and then I just decoupaged a cardinal napkin onto the tag and then topped it with some trim. This is from OohlalaCrafts. This was from my stash. So that slides in there. Some blank pages for journaling. There's a pocket here that I have a little cardinal memo paper that's been coffee dyed tucked in, and then one of the tags from the kit that once again I've just put a little scrap of OohlalaCraft fabric on. Here's some eyelet lace from Oohlala. This is the coffee dyed eyelet lace. And then this is some paper that my friend gave me that is RIT dyed. And I think she said she used the powdered RIT, but RIT dyed. So I'm not sure how she did it, but it came out great. I love it. Here is the gingerbread paper that Maudina sent me in Happy Mail. This is some cardinal wrapping paper and a fabric flip. All of these fabrics are from Oohlala, as well as the embellishment there at the top. Snippet trim belly band. Here's one of the envelopes from the kit where I just decoupaged on. I cut that off of the memo paper, put a little tag on, and then it's just empty to add whatever to, receipts or whatever. A cardinal Christmas card, room to write. Here's a vellum page from the kit, coffee dyed paper. This is some children's book page that Eve sent me. And this is a dictionary page, and somewhere, yep, North Pole. It has North Pole right there. This is a wrapping paper pocket and one of the journaling cards from the kit that I just embellished and put some lines on the back. That tucks in there. some more of the beautiful lace from the kit, or from OohlalaCrafts. Here's a patchwork pocket that we made with an embossed tag here, and one of the bell jars from the kit that I just put some fabric on and tied up with twine there. The middle of the signature with an envelope that I've embellished with a scrap of the Oohlala fabric and just layered it up, and then that is where the flap tucks in. Oh my gosh, I just ripped it. Okay, well, there's a little repair that needs to be done. That was old French paper, so that's all right. We'll work on that. I'll doll that up a little bit. You'll never know what happened. And then this is a little bunny stamp that my friend Liz sent me, and I've decided that I'm gonna tuck him into every journal I make, kind of like a Where's Waldo. I know Jenny Miller, she has a big bunny stamp that she puts in all of her journals, but this little guy is so tiny and unobtrusive. I thought he might be kind of fun to just tuck in to my journals here or there. So this is a pocket behind and a pocket here. I just like it with the fabric hanging down, so I just left it. And then just some red paper, some wrapping paper, a page from the kit, the other side of the dictionary and the children's book, the kit. Then I clipped one of the envelopes from the kit that has a journaling card inside. I clipped it on to this this envelope that we made in one of the Craft With Me's. And so that's over the page, and then I just clipped this one on top because I thought it looked kind of neat layered up like that. The vellum again, the other side of the greeting card. This side of the greeting card, there was some writing down here, so I just put a little pocket to cover that up. We've got a glassine bag that I've gone ahead and put a decoupage napkin on. This glassine bag, there's place here for a tuck and in here for a tuck. This is from A Tattered Dream, the bag is. This is a pocket that we made together, and it's just scrapbook paper and then some scraps from Oohlala, and this is from Oohlala. Tag from the kit that I've just topped with a little fabric, and then that just clips right on there. Here's the other side of the gingerbread paper. Another embossed tag that we had done, and it's got Oohlala lace on the bottom and coffee dyed seam binding on the top. A spool that I embellished with some of the fabrics and then the lace again. This is an embossed card. This is an index card with some scraps of the fabric and a little piece of lace there. This is a pocket here. And coffee dyed. This is a cluster that I made that I just tucked a memo sheet in, and then another one of the envelopes from the kit. I have a lot of pieces of the kit left that I will send along to the new owner of this journal. And here I have the gingerbread journaling card. I just put a little bit of lace from Happy Mail on that. This is Happy Mail lace as well. This ribbon is from Oohlala, as is this. And then I have the file folder from the kit, and it says mistletoe there. And that is the finished journal. This journal has been spoken for, so it will be going off to its new owner soon. But thank you so much for watching the flip through, and thank you also for joining me in the craft with me's that we made some of the goodies inside this journal. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.